Hello and welcome to ICA's Multi-Inspector Firm course. My name is Patrick Hardy, your instructor. Let's begin. Module 1. The topics discussed are going to be business models to emulate, reasons to expand to a multi-inspector firm, what's needed for success, stages of growth, ROI or return on investment, risk analysis, business structure, types of management, leadership qualities, administration, insurance, protecting your business, supporting staff, quality control, employee management, benefits, employee compensation, customer relations management, continued growth and expansion. So first off, why would you choose to expand to a multi-inspector firm? Some possible factors that might influence your expansion might be single inspector success, increase of revenue, help other inspectors in your field, and market need. So if you're a single inspector and you're finding yourself to be fairly successful, you might want to think about expanding your business. A part of being successful means that your schedule fills up fairly quickly. And unfortunately, with the market the way it has been moving, the inspection period is getting shorter and shorter. And at some point, you have to turn away business. This puts you in a precarious situation because the majority of the inspection business comes from realtor referrals. Turning clients away means that they might eventually stop referring you. As a business owner, you have to continually be, or at least give the perception of solving the client's problems. In your case, inspecting the home in a timely manner is solving that problem. As a multi-inspector firm, you'll be able to maintain your expansion. There'll be challenges that you face in expansion, which we'll discuss in later modules. Let's talk about efficiency real quick. No matter which direction you proceed in, all actions should be met with efficiency in mind. It is all about your time and money, and in reality, it should be thought of as the same thing. All moves forward from this point should be calculated to minimize your losses.
If you like what you heard here and would like to enroll in our course, just go to www.icaschool.com or call us at 888-374-4096. We have unlimited support and are here to help you every step of the way.